So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log out of TradingView. So starting off, you'll see something similar to this. So once you're logged in to your TradingView account, you can see products, community, markets, brokers, and more. So you can see your overview, your news, community, technical, seasonals, and components. So you can see your watch list. You can see some other stuff underneath that are going to also help you out with your specific watch list and specific stuff about your charts. So once you do expand your chart by clicking on full chart, so once you see something similar to this, you will know that you started doing those charts. But from there, if you want to really log out of, just make sure that the changes that you made to certain charts are completed. So once you've started making some changes, make sure that you've saved all of that before you log out, because you won't be able to assess those changes anymore. So if you open this, so this will be either your profile or your starting or your initial of your nickname and username on TradingView. You can see your settings and billing, your refer a friend option, help center, support requests, what's new, dark theme, language, and your sign out option. So through there, you can see some different stuff that you can set up, but you can also just click on sign out in order for that account to be removed. From that point, you can log in with something else. You can get started somewhere else with some different account, and it's all going to be a bit different from your other account. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TradingView or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.